Welcome back to Today. We're diving into the future of hacking, right from your phone. For years, a mobile hacking toolkit seemed like sci-fi, but with Termux, it's now reality. Termux brings a full Linux terminal to Android, letting you run powerful command line tools on the go. Today, I'll reveal the top 10 Termux hacking tools that will define mobile cybersecurity in 2026. Think AI integration, quantum resistance, and more. If you're passionate about tech or cybersecurity, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First up is HydraX, the next-gen brute force tool that's changing the game for mobile cybersecurity. Designed for both professionals and enthusiasts, HydraX brings unprecedented power right to your pocket. HydraX uses your phone's multi-core and neural processors for lightning-fast password attacks, harnessing every ounce of hardware muscle to break through even the toughest defenses. Its adaptive engine learns from real breaches, constantly updating its strategies and prioritizing the most likely password combinations for each unique target. This means smarter, more efficient attacks every time. HydraX even simulates quantum attacks, letting you test if your passwords can withstand threats that don't even exist yet. It's a glimpse into the future of password security. The intuitive dashboard visualizes attack progress in real time, offering detailed graphs, statistics, and actionable security reports that help you understand your vulnerabilities at a glance. Seamless integration with other tools means HydraX can import targets, share data, and pivot to new attacks automatically, making it a true powerhouse in any hacker's toolkit. This isn't just a password cracker, it's the beating heart of a mobile hacking ecosystem, connecting with other advanced tools to create a unified, efficient workflow. HydraX is redefining password security for the future, setting new standards for speed, intelligence, and adaptability in the world of mobile security. Whether you need to audit, crack, or future-proof credentials, HydraX is your go-to tool, trusted by experts for its reliability and cutting-edge features. It's fast, smart, and built for what's next, ready to tackle the evolving challenges of digital security. With all these innovations, HydraX truly stands as the new king of password cracking, leading the charge into a more secure digital future. Next up, NetHunter Pro transforms your smartphone into a complete wireless pen testing powerhouse, putting advanced security tools right in your pocket. Whether you're a professional penetration tester or a cybersecurity enthusiast, this platform gives you the freedom to assess, analyze, and secure wireless networks wherever you go. It supports cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 and 6E attacks, allowing you to probe for vulnerabilities in the latest wireless standards. You can scan, analyze, and even simulate attacks on modern networks, ensuring your defenses are always up to date. NetHunter Pro doesn't stop at Wi-Fi. It also targets Bluetooth Low Energy and Zigbee protocols, making it perfect for testing the security of smart home devices and the ever-growing world of IoT. You can uncover hidden vulnerabilities in everything from smart locks to connected lights. Its AI-driven wireless intelligence engine continuously maps threats in real time, automatically detecting rogue access points, suspicious activity, and potential intrusions as they happen. You get instant alerts and visualizations, so you're always one step ahead of attackers. With campaign mode, you can manage multiple audits at once, tag and organize networks, and generate detailed, consolidated reports, all from your phone. This makes large-scale wireless assessments efficient and organized, whether you're on-site or remote. Power management features are built in, so you can keep scanning and testing all day without worrying about your battery running out. Stay productive and mobile, even during long engagements. NetHunter Pro isn't just a toolkit. It's a full-featured, professional platform designed for mastering every aspect of wireless security. From reconnaissance to reporting, it's built for experts who demand the best. If you're serious about Wi-Fi and IoT security, NetHunter Pro is an essential addition to your arsenal. It brings together all the tools you need for comprehensive wireless protection. And the best part? You can do all of this from your phone, anywhere in the world. Whether you're in the office, at a client site, or on the move. NetHunter Pro is the wireless arsenal built for 2026 and beyond, empowering you to secure the future, one network at a time. At number 3, ReconX automates reconnaissance like never before. Give it a target, and it runs deep scans, DNS, subdomains, WOIS, social media, and breach databases. It finds leaked credentials, exposed code, and even technology fingerprints, down to plugin versions. ReconX cross-references everything, building a detailed attack surface map. Its interactive mind map visualizes connections and vulnerabilities, making planning effortless. ReconX saves hours and uncovers what others miss. It's the ultimate recon tool for mobile pen testers. Intelligence gathering has never been this fast or visual. Number 4 is Fishmaster 2.0, the ultimate phishing simulation tool. Its AI engine clones target websites perfectly, even updating with real-time branding and news. Anti-detection features cloak phishing pages from scanners, while MFA interception captures two-factor codes in real time. Campaign analytics show who fell for the phish and why, helping organizations target their training. Fishmaster 2.0 is essential for testing and improving human defenses. It's the gold standard for simulating modern phishing threats. If you want to test awareness, this is your tool. DDoS Blitz lets you safely simulate massive DDoS attacks on your own infrastructure. It covers all major attack types, volumetric, protocol, and application layer, so you can test real-world resilience. Its botnet emulation coordinates attacks from multiple devices or cloud agents, mimicking global threats. The real-time dashboard tracks server health, pinpointing bottlenecks as they happen. After-action reports offer clear, actionable fixes. DDoS Blitz is more than a test. It's a full audit and hardening solution. Stay ahead of attackers by knowing your limits. DDoS Blitz is your resilience checkpoint. Wi-Fi Crack Suite specializes in cracking modern Wi-Fi, especially WPA3. Its Dragonblood module targets WPA3's toughest defenses, while PMKI-based cracking is optimized for mobile speed. Live handshake sniffing actively captures handshakes, speeding up audits. Pre-computed hash management means instant results for common networks. Intelligent word list mutation boosts your chances of success. Wi-Fi Crack Suite is all about efficiency and speed. For wireless password auditing, nothing else comes close. It's the Wi-Fi cracker for the next era. SocialSploit automates social engineering like never before. Its Persona engine builds detailed fake identities from public data, crafting believable pretexts. Multi-channel campaigns target victims across LinkedIn, Twitter, and email, all managed from your phone. AI chatbots handle conversations, guiding targets toward revealing sensitive info. Every action is logged for ethical reporting. SocialSploit exposes human vulnerabilities and helps organizations train against them. It's the ultimate social engineering toolkit. Exploit Finder AI is the future of vulnerability discovery. Its AI-driven fuzzing finds both known and zero-day bugs, learning as it goes. When it finds a crash, it auto-generates proof-of-concept exploits, turning bugs into real risks. The tool learns from a global network, getting smarter with every use. All testing happens in a sandbox, keeping your targets safe. Exploit Finder AI is for advanced pen testers who want to stay ahead of threats. It's proactive, powerful, and always evolving. Zero-day discovery, now in your pocket. This is next-level vulnerability hunting. Exploit Finder AI changes the game. Stealth Shell is all about undetectable access and persistence. It's a sophisticated tool designed for those who need to move through digital environments without leaving a trace. Whether you're a red teamer, penetration tester, or security researcher, Stealth Shell offers a unique way to test the limits of your defenses. Its polymorphic payloads are constantly evolving, changing their appearance every single time they're deployed. This makes them incredibly difficult for antivirus programs and detection tools to recognize or block, ensuring that each attack remains fresh and unpredictable. Protocol tunneling is at the heart of Stealth Shell's stealth. By hiding its traffic within common protocols like DNS, ICMP, or HTTP3, it blends seamlessly with normal network activity, making it nearly impossible for defenders to spot suspicious behavior among the noise. In-memory execution means that Stealth Shell never touches the disk, leaving no files behind for forensic investigators to find. This approach makes traditional detection and analysis methods almost useless. Beaconing and jitter techniques randomize the timing and pattern of network connections, making automated detection systems struggle to identify any consistent or suspicious activity. With Stealth Shell, you can rigorously test your organization's defenses against the most advanced and elusive attack techniques, simulating real-world threats in a controlled environment. It's the ultimate tool for red teamers and incident response teams, providing a realistic challenge that pushes your security protocols to the limit. If you want to see just how well you can hide in plain sight, or how prepared your team is to detect the undetectable, Stealth Shell is the answer. Stealth Shell is silent, persistent, and invisible, an essential tool for mastering the art of digital stealth. CryptoSniff secures your crypto assets and audits blockchain security. It scans networks for vulnerable wallets, outdated software, and weak passwords. Mempool sniffing detects suspicious blockchain transactions in real time. Private key entropy analysis checks if your wallet's keys are truly random and secure. The smart contract scanner finds bugs in DeFi code, protecting your investments. CryptoSniff is essential for anyone in crypto or blockchain development. Secure your assets and audit smart contracts, all from your phone. CryptoSniff is the blockchain security toolkit for the future. That's the future of Termux hacking. 10 tools that put cutting-edge security in your pocket. The gap between mobile and desktop hacking is gone. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools ethically for learning, testing, and defense, never for harm. Let me know which tool impressed you most in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. See you in the next one.